Hey, this is Fred Waller here with Waller Tax and Financial Services. I'm excited because it's that time of year again. Waller Tax and Financial Services is partnering with Restoration Relief, supporting Water Street Rescue Mission's food drive. And so what we're asking for is next few weeks, stop by Waller Tax and Financial Services and bring a non-perishable item. And the exciting thing is for every non-perishable item that you bring, Waller Tax and Financial is going to match that item. And so our goal this year is to have 50 items. So if you can please bring over the next few weeks to Waller Tax and Financial Services a donated non-perishable item, that would be great. Thanks again, and help us to support, in partnership with Restoration Relief, Water Street Rescue Mission's food drive. Thank you.